Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to connect Teespring to Instagram. So the first step is to simply go to Teespring and log into your account. Then you're going to have to go to stores, and then here what you're going to have to do is simply scroll down and simply click on add account profile, and then here you're going to have to select Instagram, and then here you're going to have to simply enter your profile URL and then simply click on add. So I'm going to type in really fast Instagram, and then I'm going to go to my profile, and after that I'm going to copy the URL of my Instagram account, and then I'm going to go back and add it here and click on add, and basically that's all you have to do. So now we can get our domain here, and basically what you can do, we can simply copy this. So as you can see, we can go to our store, and here we're gonna find all our products. Simply copy this and then simply paste it into your Instagram basically bio here. So you're gonna have to add your link, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.